I will attend one night of his wake this coming Friday. Saturday ay ang lubong. Senador Nini Pimentel, ninong ka na siya ni Vice Governor Mark Cagas sa kumpirma. Ako sa nang ninong sa politika. Because I started politics under his tutelage. I anchored all my political beliefs and practices of governance under Nini Pimentel. Kami mo'y original nag-organize sa PDP, Partido Demokratiko ng Pilipinas, or Filipino Democratic Party. Dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Kauban sa ubang lideres sa Mindanao. Like the former Zap Respicio of Davao City and many others. A few of them patay na. Uban buhi pa. Ninit taught us how to fight dictatorship and abusive regime of martial law through our bare courage, born out by our belief that democracy is a better form of government than dictatorship. Our only weapon, ang among pagka-risk taker, kaya naside yung tayo ng panahon sa martial law, isa gamay lang pulong against the existing government, mahimo kang mapriso. In my case, idakob magkuhan ang adlawa pag-declare martial law. Diya sa estasyonan sa DXML, I was holding a program, I was attacking, di pa to martial law, the government at the time. So, goal ko nga namatay si Pimentel, I will miss him, but at the same time, I will always remember him because together we fought dictatorship, and as a matter of fact, kauban sabi sa EDSA revolution for 3 days until Marcos fled Vilayas dito mi sa EDSA. That is why I became his Undersecretary of Local Government. Siya mao'y among leader sa PDP. Unya human sa pagkatapos ni Marcos, he became the Secretary of Local Government. Doon na siya ay general overhaul sa local governments throughout the country.
At Luzon, kabayanihan mo'y nanaig, pagkat inang bayay, iniibig. Malaya ka na, Pilipino, kagitingan mo'y isisikaw sa buong mundo.